Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and right now I will be watching the newly dropped trailer of the upcoming Telugu film Kingdom starring Vijay Deverakonda, and then we have Satyadev and Bhagyashree. Music is given by Anirudh here. Anirudh is just all over, huh? He is just completely shining, and the movie is directed by Gautam Tinnanuri. So yeah, I don't want to delay this any further. Let's watch this trailer right away. So I just realized this does not have the subtitles. It has Telugu auto-generated to English, so probably I'll just rely on that. If it's incorrect, if something is incorrect, because I want to watch it in its original language. So yeah, let me know if anywhere the translation is incorrect, but at least I'll get some gist, right? So let's go.
ఒక ఎమర్జెన్సీ ఆపరేషన్ కోసం నువ్వు అండర్ కవర్ స్పైగా మారాలి.
Okay.
మీ అమ్మని, మీ ఇల్లు, ఉద్యోగం, ఊరు
Sridhar
అన్నీ
is
వదిలేయాలి.
okay. Got it.
నువ్వు అడుగు పెట్టబోయే ప్రపంచం,
Oh.
నువ్వు కలవబోయే మనుషులు, నువ్వు ఎదుర్కోబోయే పరిస్థితులు, చాలా రిస్కీ ఆపరేషన్ సోరీ. శివ,
Damn.
నువ్వు స్పైగా వెళ్ళబోయే గ్యాంగ్ కి లీడర్.
Oh, that's a good twist. Oh, that should have been kept a secret, guys. That's what I feel.
మోస్ట్ వాంటెడ్ క్రిమినల్, స్మగ్లర్. నీకు దేవుడు అవ్వచ్చేమో కానీ నిజానికి రాక్షసుడు మీ అన్న.
Oh, I didn't reveal that.
అయితే మొత్తం తగలు పెట్టేస్తా సార్ నేను.
వాళ్ళ సావు బతుకు తేల్చేది 5 నిమిషాలే.
కొత్తగా వచ్చావు కదా, ఈడ కొన్ని రూల్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
I love his look.
యుద్ధం ఇప్పుడే మొదలైంది.
Ending music is really good.
ఐ థింక్ ఈ మట్టిలోనే ఏదో ఉంది, మనుషుల్ని కూడా రాక్షసులుగా మార్చేస్తుంది.
Oh,
ఇప్పుడు వాడేమో ఈ రాక్షసులందరికీ రాజై కూర్చున్నాడు.
very interesting. Oh, it's releasing this weekend only. Okay. I hope even if the subtitles were like wrong here and there, but I actually got most of the gist, so that was very helpful. Okay, I swear if they had kept the reveal that this is the brother, I mean, yeah, we would have been kind of surprised, like in the theater when we would watch it, but I think it was not needed in the trailer. It was not needed in the trailer. Like maybe the trailer could have been deceiving that this guy, the criminal, is extremely bad, and he has this whole, maybe he's a drug lord or whatever. It's his kingdom, right? Yeah, and he has to infiltrate it. Vijay's character has to infiltrate it. So I think in that aspect also, yeah, maybe we would have thought, yeah, it's a plot which has been done before. I think the visuals would have been enough to generate interest amongst all of us. That's just the only thing that I did not like about the trailer edit particularly, just to reveal that major plot point where it's brother versus brother. So now we have to see if the criminal brother knows that this is my officer brother who is trying to infiltrate me. I don't think so. Maybe they got separated. There's definitely a backstory. Maybe they got separated when they were kids, and both of their life took completely different routes. And yes, one is driven by service, some sort of morality, and another one is like maybe pure evil, because the heroine Bhagyashree, she says your brother is a monster, but He is not having it, but he clearly knows what he has to do. But then you always have this emotional conflict that this is my brother, I have to eliminate him or spy on him. Basically, it says spy on him. So the instructions are pretty clear. Maybe Vijay doesn't have to eliminate his brother. But overall, I feel the plot point is great. Obviously, we are going to see a lot of violence. We are going to see a lot of action. I love Vijay's look as well in this. So let's see how the movie fares, because it's releasing this weekend. So good luck to all the makers. And I hope this does really, really well in the box office. But I definitely want to know your thoughts. And I want to know what is the hype like for this film. So you guys can let me know about that in the comments. And with that, I will end this video here. That was my reaction, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.